Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Nookal. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in nookal.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Nookal. Now in order to sign into your account, click on the sign in button at the top right section. Once you do this, you will be taken into the login page. Just go ahead and enter your company ID and then your email address. Finally, type in your password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button underneath the Login button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Nookal. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.